When you print a document that uses footnotes, Word normally places a small line between the end of the document body text and the start of the footnotes on the page. You can change that line to anything you want by following the steps in this quick tip. When you use footnotes in a document, Word can print a separator between your main document text and the footnotes. The default separator is a solid line, but you can either change or delete the footnote separator as desired. You can see that this document includes footnotes, and that the standard line appears as a separator between the main document text and the footnotes that appear on the page. How you change this separator can be a bit esoteric, however. The key is to make sure that you're viewing your document in draft view. You do this by jumping over to the View tab of the ribbon and then going to click on the Draft tool right over here at the left-hand side. The draft view looks quite a bit different from the view that you were working in just a few moments ago. Now we jump over to the References tab of the ribbon, and we're going to choose Show Notes right down here. That opens the Notes pane down at the bottom of the screen, and you can see all of the footnotes within that pane. Notice that there's a drop-down list at the top of this pane. I want to use that drop-down list to choose Footnote Separator. All of the footnotes now disappeared. They're still in the document. They haven't disappeared that way. They just aren't displayed right now. And what we have on the screen is the actual footnote separator. At this point, you can change the separator to just about anything that you want. You can even delete it entirely if desired. I'm going to go ahead and delete it, and I'm going to change it to, we'll put a bunch of equal signs in here, and use that for our separator. It's important to realize that the footnote separator is nothing but a paragraph of text, just like any other paragraph in your document. You can easily see that if you jump over to the Home tab of the ribbon and click on the Show Hide tool, which shows the non-printing characters. Notice that the separator has a hard paragraph return at the end of it, indicating that it's a paragraph. Because of this, you can format the separator just as you would any other paragraph. The typical way to do that is to use the tools on the Home tab of the ribbon. So if I wanted to, I could take these equal signs right here, and I can make them bold. And then if I wanted to, I could also, we'll make them into dark red text. Now that is the footnote separator that we're going to be using within our document. If I make a mistake in this footnote separator, well, then all I have to do is click on the Reset link right over here at the right side, and then the footnote separator is returned to the default, which is that single line that we saw just a little while ago. When you're satisfied with the appearance of the footnote separator, you can click on Close to get rid of this footnotes pane down here. But personally, I find it easiest to simply jump back over to the Print Layout view, and we can do that using the controls down here. I'll go to Print Layout. Notice that we're back into our document, and if I scroll down a bit, you can see that my bold red equal signs are now being used for the footnote separator. Well, that's how you change the footnote separator. The key is to remember to do it in draft view and then make any changes that you want. This change affects only the document that you're working on at the current time. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you should sign up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.